Ang obstruction of justice kasi ma'am is a law. Diba? If there is a warrant and you obstruct somebody or you aid and abet a fugitive from evading justice, you are violating the law. So we will be also be filing charges. And we will be arresting people, especially kung yung mga, if there are resorts, houses, or subdivision guards who will prevent us from implementing this warrant of arrest, we will be arresting them for obstruction of justice. That's why I'm appealing also na pag dumating doon ng mga law enforcement unit namin, kagaya ng CIDG, do not prevent us because we have the warrant of arrest.
And since si Senator Padilla po yung last po na nakasama, consider na po ba siyang person of interest?
Depende po kung ano doon sa bahay niya yun at makakuha namin doon sa loob ng bahay niya rin, di obstruction of justice rin po yun.
Pero sir, yung paglabas po nila na magkasama?
Well, that is part of the investigation na kinakandak po namin.
Sir, may update po ba tayo tungkol doon sa request ni Senator Bato na magpa-custody sa PNP?
I cannot answer that, ma'am, because it's outside of my page.